Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you the most trending trend which is the eyeliner look, and it's of 2021 trend. So today I'm going to try that and show you guys. So without wasting further ado, let's get started. So the name of this trending eyeshadow look or eyeliner look is the Expressive eyes. And so what we have to do is, like, I'm going to take my black kajal and I'm going to start lining it from my original line where we apply liner. So from my upper lash line I'm going to take it into my crease. So let's try and do that. Even I'm trying it for the very first time, so let's do it. So I'm taking my black kajal and I'm going to start making a liner. So basically you have to make like a normal liner, not very much winged, but then when it comes to till here, like to the last end of your eye, just to make sure that you're taking it up in the crease, and we're gonna do that. So we'll see. So it's okay if it's like messing up, we can clean it out later. So as you can see, we've reached till here, and now again I'm gonna just take it inside into my crease like this, and I'm just going to make a line. I think it's good, so we'll clean it up later. Let's not panic. And now I'm gonna do the second eye, and then we'll just apply concealer and make it even. So now with the help of an angular brush, so basically this is how the angular brush should look like, a very thin and a small one. So we'll just smudge it up a little bit. It's okay if it gets applied here, we can remove it anyways. So now I'm going to take my Nika K New Year palette with the 23 shades, and now I'm going to apply this light peachy shade on my eyelids and the areas where the black liner have been smudged. So I'm just going to apply, I'm like dab it. Now I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow from this one, and I'm going to just darken the area and where I've applied this nude shadow. So I'm just gonna lightly dab the black shadow on my kajal. So after I'm done applying the black one, I'm going to take orange. So for orange I'm going to use the darkest shade, maybe this one or this one. I'll probably use this one. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm going to apply orange so that it becomes like a combination of black and orange. So I'm taking that on my same angular brush.
self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.
So guys, this is the look that I created. So it is also known as expressive eyes, or you can call it like double wing liner also. So basically when I saw this trend, it was like expressive eyes, and I was like, okay, we need to try this out. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you know what you have to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.